How to use Spooky2 Remote V2.0 with GeneratorX Pro. Hello! In this video, we will show you how to use the Spooky2 Remote with GeneratorX Pro from hardware to software. Now, let's start from the hardware part. This is Spooky2 GeneratorX Pro. USB cable, 12-volt power adapter, Spooky2 Boost, Spooky2 Remote, and paper sticker for your fingernail. Connect Spooky2 Boost to the generator. Twist the ports on the boost to lock the connection. Now, we connect the Spooky2 Remote to the BN port of Spooky2 Boost. We also need to twist to lock the port. Then, we will show you how to put your fingernail into Spooky2 Remote. First, we need to split the stickers. And then, put our fingernail on it. And use another sticker to cover it. Then, we can write our names on the sticker. And put it into Spooky2 Remote. Use the USB cable to connect the generator to a computer. Then, connect the power adapter. After the hardware connection, we can turn on GeneratorX Pro. Now, let's go to the software part. Here, we will run an abscess program as an example. There are two methods. The first method is enter abscess on the Presets tab to search for factory presets. Click Abscess R-EL. The R in the bracket means this preset is designed for Spooky2 Remote. Then, we go to the Control tab, tick the Overwrite Generator, and click One Generator Port to run this preset. After the program is loaded, click the Start button. The Generator button becomes green, and it means the preset is running. The second method, we can choose Shell, Empty Preset, Remote, Killing R-JW. Then, go to the Program tab. Use Abscess as keyword to search some programs. Double-click Abscess. Now, go to Control tab. Tick the Overwrite Generator. Choose one generator port and click Start to run this program. The generator button becomes green, and it means the preset is running. Thanks for watching this video.